Welcome back in the next video. Today I have something really exciting. A box. This box here with a lot of iPod Touch parts. And I would say, as I did in the last videos, I just put again everything on this wood to show you what I have, what I got, and how it looks. So let's start. So that is the situation. A lot of iPod Touch glasses, nice batteries. What else? All the small parts. Touch 3, touch 4. Oh, nice bags. Cool. Then white one, nano, one nano, and displays. More display. And what the hell? Yeah. And touch, iPod Touch, small parts. Nice. So let's see that closer. So let's start with the iPod Nano. iPod Nano 1, first generation sound. Nice. iPod Nano first generation display. Again, I don't know how many displays I have now. Oh no, I don't have any of them, but they're really nice. It's new and I got 10, 11. iPod Classic, first generation, the back, and those looks all completely new. Wow, I love it. iPod Touch, second generation. Anything? Okay. So here we have glass frames. So the touch screen. A bit dust. And not so well positioned, but all overall it looks good. This one is and I have 5 of them, but are they original? 2009. Probably more aftermarket copy, but that don't means that it is a bad thing. Yeah. iPod Touch, the jack. Four of them. And the batteries. So this is no more good. Good. Okay. Batteries looks all good. In total, they are 18 and one that I can't use anymore. iPod Touch home button, 2D pin connector, a shield that we already saw before, more home button, electronic, more home button, and home button shield. Oh, that should be like this. Cool. iPod Touch, first generation display, touchscreen. I mean. 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And how it looks. It is original Apple. You see here, Apple? So you can see it better. Yeah, now you can see it. Apple. Cool. iPod Touch, the third generation, and here we have more touch screens. Okay, a lot. Some have already the home button pre-installed and everything is ready to go, and here you have just the glass. It's not Apple, and you have to put the frame and to put the home button and. There is no touch without a screen. iPod Touch 3rd generation batteries. iPod Touch 2nd generation LCDs. As you can see, there is a lot of dust. And in some way, I suppose that the iPod Touch and the iPod Touch 2 and iPod Touch 3, they share the same display. iPod Touch 4, LCD and glass. Very beautiful. And the stickers to glue it. And here, okay, here's the screen separated. That means I need to to glue it together. But you know what? I don't think I do it, because I don't like to do it. The back of the iPod Touch 4th generation, this seems to be a used one, and this seems to be a new one. Beautiful, beautiful. But I see here they didn't do it so well job. Anyway, it's nice, it's polished, and here another one. Great. This thing is maybe a bit surprised, but I mean, who don't want a screen protector? Look at, oh no, why? I really, this here I can honestly trash them directly, because this sticker, they will be now so bad that it will be even a wonder if they will stick. This is really more junk than useful. iPod Touch 3rd generation back. iPod Touch 4 batteries, and even then this seems to be all in good and operating condition, except this one, and this one, this is okay. iPod Touch 4 touch screens, and a lot of stickers and more touchscreens. I can open a shop with them. Sadly, I can't do here, there are two inside, huh? Sadly, I can't sell the batteries because I can't test if the battery are still good, and probably after this time they are no more so good. So after black it comes white. iPod Touch 4 white displays. I have a bit less, but because they're also a bit how to say, more rare, and not so many people had a white one. I think I prefer the white one over the black one. The black one looks really nice, but the white one has something friendly, something new, something happy. iPod Touch 4 small parts. That means FaceTime cameras, menu button or home button. Here we have more. They are used. Jack, 2D-pin connector, another FaceTime camera, and this is a main camera but destroyed. This is FaceTime. More 30-pin connector, flex cable, main cameras, flex cables, maybe for the home button, another flex cable that I don't know, Wi-Fi antenna and Bluetooth, cameras, flex cables and cameras. We are still at iPod Touch 4. Here we have some speakers and jack. And here I have iPod Touch 5th generation. Ooh. This is a testing screen. iPod Touch is really a nice device. And the last of this box, small parts for iPod Touch 5. Even a battery, but it's swollen, so better to not use it. So here I got a connector cable, the flex cables, antennas, flex cable, camera, and is this a housing? This is a housing. Nice. Cool. Oh, look at this. So beautiful. And now we need to see the Apple logo. I like it. This is a plastic fantastic. Okay, let's put back this plastic fantastic. And I put this here over Touch 5. So this is also something like this. This is a more dark one. And let's try to recycle this here. And this here is a silver one then. No, it's a blue one. A blue frame. Nice. I love this color. I never saw it in this condition. I have to see it now. It's like new. So it is new, but the color, so beautiful. Ooh, I didn't expect it to find something like this, but I really like it. Good to know that I have it, so future repairs